Hi, I'm Calvin Eaton, also known as the Gluten Free Chef. So the Gluten Free Chef, we are a health and wellness brand dedicated to gluten-free living, whether that be because they have celiac disease or want to be gluten-free for the myriad of reasons. I've been gluten-free since 2010, but really started out as a very therapeutic process, figuring out why I had been feeling very ill and unwell for a long time. And so this sort of led to the creation of the blog. And I'm really excited this year as I celebrate 10 years of the Gluten Free Chef brand to be working on a cookbook. So the recipe is all about baking. It's a step-by-step guide. We'll have about 40 recipes or so. We'll be walking through different recipes, chocolate chip cookies, pies, tarts, all of your favorite comfort foods. Someone who is a novice baker, this cookbook will be for you. To support this project, you can visit theglutenfreechefblog.com. I'm really excited to be launching this to the community. I've had a network of supporters for many years, and this is really almost like a love letter to everyone who has supported my work as a social entrepreneur. And so I'm really excited to be producing in the photography, creating the recipes, recipe testing and development. There's a lot of moving parts to it, so I'm really excited to be creating this book with an amazing team of collaborators. To find out more about how you can support, follow the link in the description below.